Don't go anywhere. I'm about to show you the easiest way to gain subscribers using YouTube Shorts. Look at this now. Okay, this short has gotten 10,030 views since it was published. I published this short some days ago. In fact, from the first day I published this short, it already gave me 10,000 views in just 2 days. Now look at this now. It has given me 150 subscribers just from one shot. 150 subscribers just from one shot. Okay, let me go to another one. This is another shot that gave me, this shot has gotten 10,501 views. This shot has given me 111 views just from one shot. So guys, using this strategy can give you a whole number of subscribers if you are looking for subscribers. Now let me show you how to use your green screen and do this short to get a whole lot of subscribers here. Search for a creator in your niche and look for one of his shorts that has many views. Now for me, I'm going to select the world's most expensive.
My friend Chandler, ready? Go. This is the most expensive coffee in the world. Do you want it?
Okay, now what next will you do? Come here, click here. When you click here, use green screen.
This is the most expensive.
Now, after using green screen, you are going to adjust this to a position, adjust the video to a position that is more attractive, because YouTube is going to allow you to use only 5 seconds, only 15 seconds rather, of that person's reel, of that person's shot rather. Okay, just adjust to a position is more attractive.
This is the most.
Using this position.
Sounds ominous. They have. I don't know why it's so. This is the most expensive coffee in the world.
What next you do? You hit on done. Okay, let's click that. You wait for the video to load. Wait for the video to load. Okay, it's loading. It's almost done.
Ominous. They have these 20.
Add your caption. Now, what you are going to take note is that your caption should be very, very captivating. So what I'm going to do here is going to be the most expensive coffee in the world. Now, what again are you going to do? You want to add hashtag, that is good, and maybe I want to add Mr. Beast. Let me say Mr. Beast. Choose hashtag that is popular, then hit on upload shots. Okay guys, this is the simple trick I use to grow my subscribers. Try and upload your shot with this simple method 2 to 3 times a day. If this video is of great benefit to you, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest YouTube growth strategies and tips. I'll be sharing more practical illustrations and examples to help you boost your channel's growth. Thanks for watching. See you next time.